Oh my.
These guys hold hands so bad, man. Every engagement I get into, there's somebody.
Oh my gosh, that was insane. Oh! Clip it.
Ew, dude. Against the Teraba.
I think I'm still being bagged.
You deserve it.
No, I really don't.
That's 2. 3 down. Another one off the list.
Shit, dude. Why are you guys holding hands? I was shitting on him, though. Kind of shitting on their face. Hey guys, welcome to another build video. This one's for the Titan. We're working on a Hunter one because I actually haven't done a Hunter one. But we're going to try to do something with 6-shooter. But I'll let you know. This one is called Microwave Go BRRRR. The inspiration was of a microwave in the sense that Path of Burning Steps, aka the MK44 microwaves, look and act like a microwave. Our solar final blows will improve our weapon damage, and we are harder to slow or freeze. The gun I'm pairing with it is Teraba. You can use a multitude of weapons. It could be any solar weapon you want, but I think Teraba works the best. Vex Mythoclast is also a really, really good option also. I didn't really feel like using it, though, for this one. Anyway, so the more damage we take / deal, we'll store up power. When power is full, we can release the beast, making the damage and RPM skyrocket. This thing shoots extremely quick and deals a ton of damage, meaning you will melt anybody coming in your way, which is really, really fun. And you get a damage bonus with Path of Burning Steps and also Charge of Light, which we have a simple Charge of Light build, which you can see there. The subclass we are pairing with is Sunbreaker, Bottom Tree. You can run whatever tree you want. I think this is the best tree for solar. And I use Firewalls, Towering Barricade, and Strafe Lift. I think this is definitely like the best subclass to run. Definitely want something solar, but any of them will work. This is definitely one of my more fun builds. I use these in 6s pretty much all the time when I'm on my Titan, but yeah, definitely you guys should take a look. Here come the games. Was going to use my Fractithus, but I did a test game and I wasn't really feeling it. I think with the SMG, I don't need to have too close quarters. I think it depends on your playstyle, though. If you want to just play close quarters, use a shotgun and a sub, definitely viable. But I decided I'm going to use my Soul, even though I'm a terrible sniper, which you'll definitely see. Is this a late game? No, it's not. So used to, because yesterday I was like having late game after late game after late game. It was terrible. Terrible. It's crazy though too, because like we're this late into Festival of the Lost, and people still wear masks. They want that candy. I don't really think there's a point after you get god rolls of all the weapons and finished the book and gotten everything from the thing. Don't really see a point to playing it after that. Take a trade.
Zone C captured.
There's a third there, I thought. Yeah, there's more than one.
Enemy claimed Zone A.
Gun, little too much range for my gun to handle. I'm gonna run back and I'm gonna just play with them a little bit. Try to get our Teraba charges up. Nah, I didn't do it. Nope. Whoa. We got Ravenous, though. It's going to be a bit risky. Definitely will take that. That gets him out. That'll flush him out. Is Ravenous right there. Definitely disgusting perk. Love that perk. Now we just got to wait for a cat if they ever get one, you know. No need to crit him if he's that weak.
Zone A
This kid doesn't. I don't.
have advanced.
Oh, he's moving. Well, it doesn't matter. He didn't shoot at me. Free kill. I mean, I'll take it.
Pressure on.
I'm not gonna back down from your bow. I don't care. It's cute. Behind me? Cute. Feel the power. Damn.
Zone A lost.
I wanted to rob that. Damn.
Strength in numbers, Guardian.
Dunes really reached that far. We're gonna pop this. Hopefully. Okay. I was hoping there would be more here, but it's pretty unlucky.
I want more, Guardian. Double down.
Aw, man. Ooh, just in the nick of time, got the 3. Oh, I gave him a fucking haircut. Let's see if you... Take it again. Take the bait, take the bait, take the bait. Come on. You know you wanna. Nah, he ran back. I'm coming with you. How did I get hurt? You know, I don't care. Kind of want to play it a little safe. What are we playing? Fucking... What is this? Hello? Nah, I don't know how many are there. I don't want to, like, get caught up into something. Like that. It's definitely back off a little. Head glitch him.
Zone B.
My phone fell.
Zone
That's fine.
advantage is yours.
I'm not going to worry about that right now. Ah, rip. I didn't think he would have dashed that far. Yeah, that's okay. Got a little cocky. I was trying to bag mid-tool. Oh, you can finish him. You can finish him. That's a really great spawn. Thank you, Bungie. That's awesome. Thanks. Wait, 3, 2. Is he gonna do it or? Ah. Okay. Good stop. Oh, that's really adorable.
Zone A captured. You have zone advantage.
It's really cute. It's okay though. It's not a huge it's not like a huge problem.
5
You know?
minutes left.
It's got a little catch up to do, no biggie. Senor Dune Marcher shoulder charge boy. How am I still shocked? Like, and like shocked I mean like have the shock effect. Dude, he literally just sat in that nade like so hard. Oof. Oof. Oof, that's just dirty what you did to them. That's just dirty. He's got a bow. He's got a bit more range. I don't want to like lose the charge. Like, so absolutely toast my man over there. Spawn's probably flipped.
You wage war like a true titan. Zone B lost. It's a power play.
I'm in a really terrible spot. Haha, moron. Just play our shield. Cool. That was actually really clutch shield pop.
Zone B captured. You have zone advantage.
Got him. Sat in that sunspot a little.
There isn't a border I could not push, Titan.
Shh.
Zone A lost.
Move. Hold on. He got absolutely annihilated. Here we go. This feels good. Got you.
2 for 1.
Yes. 3 down.
Okay. Oh, I caught the corner.
3 minutes. Hold strong, and this battle is yours.
They need to, like, if they were to... I'll totally double body you. Like, after all the shoulder charges he's doing, like, I'm gonna double body you. No care in the world. What are you... Ah, GG's. Good duel. Thank you for cleaning him. Not seeing him. Ah! Really did that. He's weak. You can do it. I believe in you.
A well-fought victory.
All right, GG's. Pretty good game. I mean, cannot hate. Can't even hate on. Can't even hate on it. That was a pretty good game.
Give the Red Jacks a
Felt
lesson
good.
in territory control.
Snipes were eh. I mean, I got like 1 crit like right off the bat, but I mean, definitely take it. 32 kills, 4.57 KD. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, okay, come on. This is too soon. This is too soon. Oh, that's really funny. I can't lie. Like, it's kind of funny, but it's too soon. It's my favorite map, so hopefully we can pop off.
Control.
Oh, he's on my team. He's using Kvastov.
Take those zones and hold them to your last breath.
Cool. That's too soon. Like, I think most people would agree.
Zone A captured. Enemy claims.
Let it be known I'm a
zone C.
terrible sniper, and
Zone B. Enemy has zone advantage.
Let's move up a little bit since we're pretty much out of.
Zone B.
Got someone behind.
Zone
Yeah, he
advantage.
killed him. He's definitely got the range on me, and with the amount of charge I have, I really don't want to switch. Drop a rift, please. It's not a rift, but.
Zone A lost. Enemy has advantage.
There we go. Got to make it work somehow. I was really hoping that would have killed him. He actually re-peaked? He didn't get a single tag off.
Now you're fighting
Thanks,
with
teammate.
heart, Guardian. Zone C captured. Zone advantage.
See if somebody
is
wants.
yours.
No, I'm not gonna even. Okay, we got Ravenous. We need to find an. Okay, so it seems like there's people coming in from the back.
Zone B lost.
Sorry about it.
Enemy has zone advantage.
You don't even have to. You could just pre-fire, dude. You don't even. Okay. There's multiple. Just drop one of those. Probably won't push after that. Oh, they actually did kept going, it seems.
Zone A captured.
Here's the thing with like the charge issue. It's like for I'm definitely dead. Yeah, so like there's a charge issue that I would say that this has. It's like if you have almost full, or if you just want to keep your charges, you can't dude, I'm terrible at sniping, at least. Oof. Oof. Son. Hello? Anyway, like, see where I'm at right now? If I were to switch, I'd lose my charge. And I don't want to lose my charge, obviously.
Zone C lost.
Because you could do stuff like that. Is there more? I didn't know. That was a stretch. I didn't think I was going to be able to get him.
Now you're fighting with heart.
Thanks for the cleanup. Appreciate you. I mean, like...
Zone C captured. That's a power play. You took them. Now hold them. 2 for 1. Zone A lost.
Oof. Seems like he might be behind here. I don't know, but I don't want to assume, but oof. That was a bad wall placement. But... Oh, what? I was way around that wall. No shot he could have seen me. What, do you shoot me in the pinky toe?
Zone B lost. Enemy has advanced.
This team is getting fried, which is good because that's kind of the... I'm so sorry.
Zone A captured. You.
Oh, I wasn't even looking. I should have done that a long time ago. Long time
5
ago.
minutes remain. A strong
And that
start.
kind of a fight,
Fight on.
dude.
Zone B captured. Power play. Keep the pressure on.
Hey,
Zone C lost.
well, I'm out of snipe. I don't see you. Okay, GG's. He was probably invisible. That's my guess. He's either invisible or I was aiming too hard and like we just wasn't looking at the radar because I just didn't think he'd push that. Or look, bud, I don't care about your rift. I appreciate the try, but oh no, if I was just a little quicker. I've even got loaders on to make it a little bit easier for myself, but no dice. Unfortunate. We got somebody back here. It's you. I'm sorry. This thing deletes.
Zone C captured. Power play. Keep the pressure on.
That means nothing to me, kid. Hate to say. Probably shouldn't have popped this soon, but because I could have gotten probably the whole team, but it doesn't really matter. Game's over. I'll take it. Not bad.
Zones controlled. Targets eliminated. Nice work.
You know, there's definitely some things that I could have done a little bit better there, but 5.0 KD, can't really be too upset with that. Definitely good overall. There you have it. There is the Teraba build, aka Microwave Go BRRRR. You could see just the amount of destruction you can cause when pairing these simple things like Path of Burning Steps and Teraba. But again, you don't even have to do this with Teraba. If you wanted to and you want to use Vex Mythoclast, this will pair very well. I know you can easily get with Charge of Light plus Path of the Burning Steps effect. You can get to 50 crit easy. So definitely something that I think you guys would want to look into and definitely end up using. It's a lot of fun. If you have Teraba and you play Titan or you just want something interesting and fun to use, I definitely recommend giving this a shot. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. A like is appreciated. Subscribe if you want, or don't if you don't. I don't really care. And drop a comment if there's any other things any other builds that you would like to see. See you guys. Take care.